Welcome to ExpertDoc SmartFlows. In today's session, we're going to work with multiple datasets. Think of a scenario where you want to use more than one dataset in a template. For instance, a quote with a separate dataset for account. In quote, we'll have a relation to the potential customer. We don't have to select the whole entity, but we can just pick up the relation itself. The account entity will be in our other dataset. Next, add our account dataset to our template. Then we'll update our flow. We'll add an extra retrieve data block. In that block, we're going to retrieve the data for our account dataset. Now the trick is to link the two datasets together. In the retrieve data or in the retrieve account data settings, we'll select our dataset, and we're going to link that block to the account relation of our quote. We have now linked the account data to the account ID of the quote. Let's update our generate document step, because there we have to add the account data to the template. We'll switch to our template and refresh it so that we can see the new account dataset show. And don't forget to publish your changes. After publishing our template, we can run the flow from Dynamics. Let's download the document. And that's looking good. It's now using data from two datasets. I'll give you a couple more examples. First example is by using the entity instead of the relation. So we'll add the account entity to our dataset, but not the underlying entities like contact. Always check if your dataset are added to the template. Then in the flow, when we link the two datasets, we can now see the whole entity show up. Personally, I think this is the easiest way. We can also use the ID field itself to link the two. So you can pass the relation, the entity, or the field. We can also use another field. Set the query type to field. Select account. And for field value, we can now link that to the account ID in our quote dataset. Instead of using the ID field, we can of course also use a different field. So there's different ways of linking datasets together. In some other videos, we'll also add custom datasets and schema datasets, and we'll use a pseudo relation to link datasets together. But that's for another day. My name is Erik Pot. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.